Today we'll talk about how can you disable home sharing on your Mi Home app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on profile down here, you just click on it. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on additional settings, you just click on it. So you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click on notification settings here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on system notifications. You come here to home sharing, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here color, it's gone. That's mean home sharing disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.